Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will going to discuss the regulation of kidney function, means how the functions of the kidney are regulated, means how it is regulated. So it is regulated by the three steps. First is the hypothalamus, second juxtaglomerular apparatus, and third, that is the heart. So first, that is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, it is also known as the master of master gland, because this gland control our pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, that is the master gland, and the pituitary gland have the three parts: anterior, posterior, and the intermediate pituitary. So this hypothalamus and juxtaglomerular apparatus cells, they control the function of the kidney when the blood volume decrease. Means if the body fluid volume or the blood volume or the GFR, glomerular filtration rate, decrease, then these hypothalamus and juxtaglomerular apparatus work. But the function of heart, that is opposite of both juxtaglomerular apparatus and hypothalamus, because heart release atrial natriuretic factor ANF, that is also known as ANF, natriuretic factor, atrial. So this factor regulate the functioning of the kidney when the blood volume increase, means when glomerular filtration rate increase or blood volume increase or blood pressure increase, then this heart control the kidney function. So let us discuss the regulation one by one. First, that is the hypothalamus. So hypothalamus, it is the master of master gland, and it is regulate the pituitary gland. So when there will be the fall in the blood volume or the body fluid volume or GFR, glomerular filtration rate, और द आयनिक कंसंट्रेशन, मीन्स कि जब हमारी बॉडी में अगर ब्लड वॉल्यूम, ब्लड की जो अमाउंट है, या हमारी बॉडी में जो फ्लूइड हैं, आयंस हैं, उनकी कंसंट्रेशन कम हो, या फिर ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट जो है वो कम होगा, तो जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ओस्मो रिसेप्टर सेल्स होती हैं, जो ये सेल्स ओस्मो रिसेप्टर, ओस्मो मीन्स ऑस्मोटिक कंसंट्रेशन, if there is the change in the osmotic concentration, then these cells are activated, and these cells are activated when the loss of the fluid, blood volume or the body fluid volume, that is decrease. And due to this, the hypothalamus that send the signal to our pituitary gland, and this pituitary gland has the posterior part, and this posterior part release one hormone, that is the vasopressin, another name of ADH, that is the vasopressin, and it prevent the diuresis. So what is the meaning of diuresis? So diuresis means excess loss of urine, because the blood volume and the fluid volume, that is decreased, and if excess urine is removed from our kidney, that it will be very harmful, then further blood volume and fluid volume, body fluid volume, that will also decrease. But we have to maintain this. So how it is maintained? It is maintained by ADH, and ADH is secreted by pituitary, and pituitary is regulated by hypothalamus. And how hypothalamus is activated? It is activated by the osmoreceptors, and these osmoreceptors activate when there will be the fall in the GFR, blood volume or the body fluid volume or the ionic concentration. If it is decreased, then the hypothalamus send the signal to the pituitary. And ADH, so it is also known as vasopressin, it is very clear from the name, vaso means vessels and pressin means जो प्रेस करेगा। तो ये जो वेसोप्रेसिन हार्मोन है ये ब्लड वेसल्स को कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट कर सकता है, तो इसको हम वेसो कॉन्स्ट्रिक्टर भी बोलते हैं। सो इफ देयर विल बी pressure on the blood vessels, then what happen, the GFR that become normal because blood pressure increase. So by this method blood pressure is increased because vasopressin it act on the blood vessels. So due to the deficiency of this hormone ADH, antidiuretic hormone, there will be one disease and that disease is diabetes insipidus. You have heard about diabetes mellitus. So this disease is due to the absence of insulin hormone, because insulin hormone that is secreted by our pancreas, and when the amount of glucose increase in our blood, then that glucose change into glycogen with the help of insulin. But if insulin is not present in our body, then what happen? Due to the absence of insulin, the excess glucose is there, and that excess glucose is known as diabetes mellitus. But here I am taking the other thing, that is the diabetes insipidus, and this disease is due to the deficiency of ADH, antidiuretic hormone. So if it is not present, then one disease is there, that is diabetes insipidus. So I think you understood the regulation of kidney by hypothalamus. Then the second is by JGA. So what is the meaning of JGA? Juxtaglomerular apparatus. And there are the special cells which are present in the glomerulus and especially at the place of afferent arteriole. So this afferent arteriole, that is the artery which is passing the blood to the nephron. So here these juxtaglomerular apparatus or the juxtaglomerular cells are there. So these cells activate, when these cells are activated, these cells activated when there is the fall in GFR, ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट। अगर ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट कम होगा तब जक्स्टाग्लोमेरुलर सेल्स एक हार्मोन रिलीज करेंगी जिस हार्मोन को हम बोलेंगे रेनिन, एंड दिस हार्मोन थ्रू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम इट comes to the liver, and in the liver there is the one inactive form of the one compound, and that is the angiotensinogen. This is the inactive form. So this angiotensinogen it change into angiotensin 1, and this angiotensin 1 then further change into angiotensin 2, and this angiotensin 2, the function of this angiotensin 2 is also like that of ADH. It is also vasoconstrictor. ये भी ब्लड वेसल्स को क्या करेगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा, और अगर ब्लड वेसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी तो फिर उससे क्या होगा, ब्लड प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, और अगर ब्लड प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा तो ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट जो है वो भी इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. सो when juxtaglomerular apparatus work, when there is the blood volume decrease and when there is the decrease in glomerular filtration rate. So juxtaglomerular cell release one hormone renin through blood stream, it goes to the liver, from the liver the inactive form angiotensinogen that change into angiotensin 1, this angiotensin 1 change into angiotensin 2, and it is the vasoconstrictor. Again the second function of this angiotensin 2 is it work on adrenal gland. So where adrenal gland is present, this gland is present above both the kidney, and adrenal gland has two parts like kidney. In the kidney the outer part, that is the cortex, and the inner part, that is the medulla. So the cortex region of adrenal gland release one hormone, that is aldosterone, and this aldosterone, it work on DCT. What is DCT? Distal convoluted tubule. And from the surface of the DCT there will be the absorption of sodium ion and water reabsorption, that is increased, and if water reabsorption increase, then concentrated urine is removed from our body, and that is our main aim, because here the body fluid volume, that is decrease, and if body fluid volume is decreased, then we have to concentrate our urine, and that concentration is done by the two mechanism, first hypothalamus and second is the JGA. Now what is left? The third one, that is the heart, and the function of the heart, that is opposite of both hypothalamus and JGA. So heart release atrial natriuretic factor, or we can say ANF. So this ANF, that is released when there will be increase in GFR. जब जो GFR है, ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन रेट, जब इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, या फिर जब ब्लड वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होगा, ब्लड प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा, तब हार्ट से रिलीज होगा एट्रियल नाट्रियूरेटिक फैक्टर, और ये फैक्टर्स फिर क्या करेंगे, ये कर देंगे वैसोडाइलेशन. व्हाट दे डू? वैसोडाइलेशन, एंड दिस वैसोडाइलेशन इज opposite of vasoconstrictor. And who were the vasoconstrictor? ADH also and angiotensin 2 also. So it work against of these two, and it is known as vasodilation. And vasodilation means कि blood vessels को ये relax कर देगा, and if blood vessels are relaxed, then blood pressure that will decrease. So that is the function of heart. So I think you understood the regulation of kidney function by hypothalamus, by JGA and by heart. So it is very important topic for your board exam and also for your NEET exam. So most of the time this question come that what is the function of aldosterone? Aldosterone work on which part of nephron? So it work on DCT, distal convoluted tubule. And what is the another name of ADH? So ADH also known as vasopressin, because it contract the blood vessels. So that is the name of the ADH. And what is the meaning of diuresis? Diuresis means excess loss of urine. It prevent diuresis, कि जो ज़्यादा लॉस होगा यूरिन का उसको ये क्या करेगा, प्रिवेंट करेगा. So that is about regulation of kidney function. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.